How's it going, everybody? Tommy T here from Carpet and Flooring on the Road. Today we are in our customer's home renovating and remodeling the stairs, railings, replacing the floors upstairs, painting the walls, and upgrading the downstairs bathroom. We're kind of just jumping into the middle of the project here, so I was not able to get videos or photos of the before and during the demolition. The steps and the floors upstairs have already been replaced with wooden planks. The darker color really pops and makes the home feel way more warm and cozy inside. The downstairs bathroom is also coming along nicely. Most of the walls have already been patched up. The foundation and concrete for the shower has already set and cured, so we are ready for the next steps to complete this project. Our customers really loved how everything turned out, and so did we. So please enjoy the rest of the video to see the end results. Leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button and click on the notification bell so you can get updates on our new videos. Thank you and enjoy. Okay, everybody, that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed that. If you like what you see and live in Southern California, specifically Orange County or Riverside County, and need some work done to your home, contact us today for a free quote. Remember to please leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and click on the notification bell so you can get updates on our new videos. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.